through how do you call it? I'll be taking you through investing.com. Investing.com is a site used to analyze the market. Is that okay? It's a site used to analyze the market. It gives some more clarity and more details as in how the market is doing. Is that okay? So I'll be helping you understand the whole concept and then also help you master the key element of this site. Is that okay? Now let's keep going. When you look at the market, the investing.com here, it has the market structure, it has the watch list, it has the news, it has the analysis, it has the chart, it has the technicals, it has the brokers, it has the tools, it has the academy, it has the investing pro, of course, which means that you can subscribe to this site. I'm not promoting the site, but I'm just trying to recommend it to all you guys out there trading the forex market. This site has a lot of components that can help you build a long-term profitable trading structure. All right, so when it comes to investing.com, you can see my watch list. I have my watch list here where I have a list of currency pairs that I'm trading here. I have a list. I'm mostly I don't trade too much of stocks, but I have a list here which of course I mostly focus on when I am trading. Is that okay? So you can also have your watch list. Okay, you can also have your watch list, and remember that it's for free. Okay, investing.com doesn't charge for using all these details. All right, now you see it also has what you call a live chart where you can use it for your day-to-day analysis. Okay, your day-to-day analysis. This is good, and I'm using it to analyze gold, but as I said, as for the technicals, I'll explain to you later. Is that okay? I'll explain to you later. I'll have videos on the technical analysis that will help you probably maybe maximize your technical analysis, okay, skill. So but for now, I'm only focusing on introducing you to sites that can help you probably make your analysis a little bit more flexible, okay, so you wouldn't stress yourself too much. Now when it comes to the economic calendar, you see at investing.com, when there's all the site that you've selected, okay, they mostly give you, that's the watch list site, okay, they give you news on those sites. Okay, if you selected euro for instance, euro USD, they'll give you news on euro, they'll give you news on the USD, okay, because all those events have the capacity or the probability of affecting your trade, so they always make sure that they update you on those terms. Now mind you that those who watch the Forex Factory analysis, let's take note that the investing.com also has what you call economic calendar. So let's go to the economic calendar of investing.com and see what is there. Now the advice is that if you are using economic calendar, then the best thing for you to do is to probably use both of them, because you know there are some news that can be listed on the economic calendar which of course you wouldn't find under the this Forex Factory or investing.com. So combine both of them, check their economic data before going in for any trade. Now let's go here. Now you can see that we have yesterday, we have today, but those who watch the news, the analysis for the Forex Factory, you can tell that the economic calendar has probably envelopes, deal with envelope, but the investing.com does not deal with envelope but rather stars. Is that okay? Now also, before you use your economic calendar or your investing.com, as I stated in the previous video, always make sure that your time is correct. You see that here is what GMT -4. If you leave it like that, it's going to affect you, especially if you live in West Africa, it's going to affect you. So always use Morovia, okay, which is what it should be GMT. All right, All right, okay. So let's look at the time. The time you have time from 1 a.m. That's Sunday. Is that okay? Now Sunday we had this, and how do you call it? We had Sunday. We had some news on the CNY and the JPY and all that. But when we go to today, we have news on that. That's this New Zealand NZD is there's holiday in New Zealand. Okay, so we're going to focus on the 1, 2 stars and 3 stars. Is that okay? So we have 8:15. We had news on the euro, which was 2 stars, meaning low impact, medium impact. Okay, it wasn't too serious. But let's go down and see something here. With 30 minutes time, you have news on the what? On the euro, which is 2 stars. Euro 2 stars. Let's see if you're going to have 3 stars somewhere. Yes, 12:30 you're going to have 3 stars here. That's 12:30, 3 stars on the USD. And then 4 p.m. you're going to have 3 stars on the USD still, and 2 stars on the USD. So today Investing.com is telling now to be very careful with the USD, because USD doesn't smell too good here. It's going to be very, very rough today. You understand? So these are some of the things you should focus on when you are using the Investing.com, even though it has a lot of more details than any other site. But if you're going to take your time to study this site, it's going to really help you do the right thing. Okay, not to lose your capital or not to make some losses that you will be able to explain. This site is the best. It can really help you. If you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels and then TikTok and all that. But also mind you that if you are looking for a place for professional training, whether languages or French or English, we are there for you in Ghana, close to Domi O Station. We are available for your training, so do well to just get in touch with us, and we will go to train you. We're going to give you the necessary support so that you can be an independent trader. Guys, thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.